I mean, in the words of Megan Thee Stallion, body yaddy 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 yaddy. Bouncing and behaving hair. Okay. I just got out of the shower and we're gonna do our hair. Okay, I got this new GHD Good Hair Day. It is the Duet Blowdry Professional 2-in-1 Hair Dryer Brush. So this is a box that it came in, and it's just one tool. So this is supposed to be a magical tool that's supposed to give you a ton of volume, and it is basically a round brush and a hair dryer all in one. So I'm curious if it's going to give me beautiful bouncing and behaving hair, but also it's supposed to take a fraction of the time as a normal blow dry. So let's get to it. Just washed my hair. I've had it in this microfiber towel for a while, so it's been drying, and I'm just going to use one thing in my hair today. It's the Frizz Ease Serum Extra Strength. So this is going to be my heat protectant and my kind of my one and only styling tool. So let's get to it. So here's the on-off switch, and this is what it sounds like. So it's not super loud, but it's definitely too loud to talk over. So here you go. Sounds like a jet engine getting ready to take off. And let's get to doing our hair. So I just finished the underneath layer of my hair, and these are my notes so far. Number one, it doesn't pull your hair at all. Like, there was zero hair fallout, which was miraculous. I've used like 2 other tools like this, and there was like a lot of hair that was pulled out in the brush, and that wasn't cool. Another thing that I noticed is that definitely this black part gets hot, and the hot air coming out, you can definitely feel it. So I just kept my hands on the white part, which is super cool to the touch, and didn't touch the black part, but it's definitely a hot tool. So keep that in mind. Happy so far. Let's do the upper layer. So we are at kind of the midway check-in, and oh my gosh, as you saw, I don't know what I'm doing. So I basically just rolled this brush underneath, just in one direction, like around half my head and the underlayer of this side too. But can we just see the body? I mean, in the words of Megan Thee Stallion, body yaddy 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 yaddy. It's a lot of body. So I am very impressed. By the way, I have super thick hair. Yeah, I have a lot of hair. I have very, very thick hair. It's heavy, and this is a lot of volume, a lot of body. So let's finish the right side of the head and see how it looks. this is the final result. And I don't mean to brag, but I need Yasmin Gowrie and Cindy Crawford and Christy Turlington and the diva herself, Naomi Campbell, to step on over, because this is a 90s blowout. This is a legit 90s blowout. Whoa! So much volume, so much body. Look at this. It's ridiculous. I feel like I don't even need one of those wind machines that Beyonce always uses, because I've got wind in my hair naturally. This is a miracle. I love this. I am just so shocked about how easy it was. Now, my hair dryer is a Good Hair Day GHD hair dryer. I've had it for years and it's phenomenal, but I will say this is much easier than having to have a round brush in one hand and to have a blow dryer in the other. This is all in one. So my thoughts on this, 2 big old thumbs up. It was super easy. I am not a hair person. I am not the kind of person who knows how to do my own hair or anybody else's hair. And just FYI, speaking of hair, I don't have any straighteners or relaxers or keratin or anything. This is just hair, no chemicals in the hair. So yeah, this is an amazing amount of body. Wow. I feel gorgeous. Where am I going? Absolutely nowhere. But I am just so impressed. These results speak for themselves. Good gracious. It's gorgeous. Okay. I just feel like no words are necessary. I have a flippity flip and I didn't even do anything. This takes zero skill. So I would say the Good Hair Day 2-in-1 tool is definitely worth it. It is definitely, for me, an investment. Like for me, I need good solid hair tools that are going to be good to my hair, that are going to look out for my hair health. Again, like I said before, it didn't pull out my hair. Like there wasn't a bunch of shedding. And it normally takes me about an hour and a half to do a blow dry beginning to end. This took me like 25 minutes. But I will say I was like stopping and starting and trying to make sure I was filming and whatnot. So I'm thinking like 25 minutes, maybe even less. Yeah, with practice, probably even less, but bouncing and behaving hair. Okay, that's it. This is my kind of show and tell of my new hair tool. I only have 2 primary hair tools, and this one is definitely going to become a staple in my rotation. The other one is one that just gets my hair kind of pinned straight. But yeah, 2 different looks. This is, I don't know, phenomenal. I just feel like, look at the results. If you like them, then go get you one of those. So that is it. I will see you next Sunday at noon, and I love you and have a fantastic week. Bye.